All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SV model. It's beautiful burgundy red with black interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, fog lights. Only 18,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Seems to have a little chippy there, so you can see. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's, your front driver's rim. Does it have any curbing? I don't see any curbing on this one. Your tire tread is at 6/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire tread is over 7/32. Actually, it does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf this little area there. All right. This is what your sunroof looks like. I don't see any things, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. I don't see any, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Push start system. Check out pictures for more details on the owner's manuals. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. You got your backup camera. Boom. AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 18,148. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around your rear bumper. Looks fantabulous. Your deck lid looks good. Rear trunk space, pretty big spaces for a 4-door sedan. Here's your spare tire with some tools, and I did tuck away your owner's manuals right back here. Quarter looks good. Rear passenger rim looks good. I do not see any curbing. Your tire thread back here is, let me get up in here, is just a hairline under 7/32. This door looks good. This is the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to this one either. The front fender looks great. Front passenger rim does have some curbing. Is there curbing? Nope, no curbing. Tire thread is just a hairline on the 7/32. Coming around, lights are on, things are functioning. Car looks beautiful, guys. Once again, 2017 Nissan Altima SV model with 18,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.